Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetable dip using an easy method. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and a selection of fresh herbs. Fresh dill, chives, and parsley work wonderfully. Having everything at room temperature helps achieve a perfectly smooth, creamy texture for your delicious dip. Now, let's elevate those flavors. Incorporate 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder into your base. For a subtle, savory depth, add a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Finally, a squeeze of 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice will brighten the entire dip, making it incredibly refreshing and irresistible for your vegetables.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation, just like a great dip needs quality ingredients, your feet deserve quality socks. Life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to mix. In a medium-sized bowl, combine everything. Stir gently but thoroughly until the dip is completely smooth and all the herbs and spices are evenly distributed. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate the dip for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the delicious flavors to truly meld together. Your delicious homemade vegetable dip is almost ready to enjoy. Serve it alongside a vibrant array of fresh vegetables like crisp carrots, crunchy celery sticks, colorful bell pepper strips, and cool cucumber slices. This dip also makes a fantastic accompaniment for your favorite crackers, potato chips, or warm pita bread. It's truly versatile and always a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.